don't you throw it at me. But this first comic coming up, he is, I don't know how to describe this guy. He's brown. Which means he's Mexican. Like, let's get that out of the way. Gotta do that now. He's actually battled on the road before. He's had some experience. He was just in town tonight to come out and support. And like I said, he was back there talking shit to Lex. And next thing you know, these fools are going at it. So ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Mr. Mario Sanchez. The Mexican dude stole the microphone last time. Okay, I gotta check my wallet real quick. Okay, we're good. Welcome back. You were up in Reno, right?
Man, fuck you, TC.
We're released.
I got your wallet.
We're released. That's what happens. You get 3 days.
Blink twice and your wallet's gone.
All right, his opponent, ladies and gentlemen, this guy's one of the hottest promoters in the streets. You don't know him, you ain't partying, because this man is known as Lex Las Vegas. All right, now, like I said, this is a one and done deal. These dudes are gonna go at each other. They're both gonna talk some shit one time, one joke. All right. I'm gonna flip this coin I got from the El Cortez. It's adult only. All right. Adult only. And I was playing the slot machines the other night. I was like, I'm keeping one of these coins. That's all I got there. Well, we'll talk about some other stuff later. But, that was a crab's joke. So, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna give you the mic. So, you ready? All right. Let me find my coin.
Yeah. Give it up for TC while he finds his coin. He's Jewish, so he's got his Dalkeeb in his pocket.
So, on one side we have the state of Nevada. On the other side we have mango. No, actually it looks like Angie Crumb after she shaved. So,
I'll take Angie Crumb after she shaved.
Angie Crumb side over there. Angie Crumb's been called. Look out. That's Nevada. We have a winner, Mr. Lex Las Vegas. We go first, sir.
Yeah, here we go. Lex Las Vegas. Give it up for Mario. He just lost his job. Over the COVID shutdown, he was working as Maria, the Mexican stripper, because he had a mask on, and with that long hair, you couldn't tell he was a dude. But now that the mask is off, we can tell that he's Danny Trejo's illegitimate son, and his nickname is Mini Machete, because of his tiny head. Here, Mario!
Lex looks like he let the Wu-Tang Clan fuck his girlfriend. Just for a sneak peek at the new album.
If you throw the beach ball, I swear to God, we'll kick your ass. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I told them, get your best shit out. You will get a one shot here, so that was their shot. So let's start out with our coin flip winner, Mr. Lex Las Vegas. Let's make some noise. All right. And the brown guy. Wow.